Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an after dark clean my kitchen with me. The weekends are always super crazy in our house and we are constantly in and out of our house, and so things just kind of pile up all over the place and our kitchen just needed a really good tidy up. Really quickly, I wanted to excuse my voice in this video. I'm actually sick with a cold again, and so my voice is all raspy and crazy, so if it goes in and out, I apologize.
I was feeling lost, but you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me.
So the first thing that I'm going to do is some dishes, of course, because what is motherhood without a bunch of dishes, am I right? We had a bunch of cups and things all over our house, so I just went ahead and collected them, and I'm gonna go ahead and run the dishwasher as well.
But don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
I'm trying my best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Sometimes
I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me. No, I can't get enough of what you do.
I'll give you my everything. It's not much, but it's all I have.
You know we could run to a place where we belong, but I need you there with me to go on. Sometimes
The next thing I'm going to do is wipe down all the countertops, and I went ahead and picked up this orange clove scent by Mrs. Meyer's, and it smells amazing and is getting me so excited for Christmas.
yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me. No, I can't get enough of what you do. The one who saves me. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
Call it off, let it go. All for nothing, I should have known. I've made mistakes, crashed and burned. So many chances, no time to learn. I need to find another way to make things right.
My refrigerator was looking a little dirty, so I went ahead and wiped that off as well.
Back again, a second time. Can't take it back. Everything you've done.
And then the last little bit of tidying up that I'm going to do in here is sweeping. I usually will run the vacuum through here, but since both of my kids were sleeping, I didn't want to wake them up, so I'm just using a broom.
Long, Time will tell us where we went wrong. You know youth is wasted on the young, on the young.
And then of course I have to use my oil diffuser, because what is a good cleaning video without some essential oils? And tonight I was feeling gingerbread. Once again, I'm kind of getting into the Christmas spirit. I don't want to decorate for Christmas until after my son's birthday, so it's really hard holding off.
Running on an endless road, reaching for something we used to know. If I had another chance.
Anyways, you guys, that is going to be it for this quick and easy tidy up with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and be sure to like and subscribe if you guys want to see more content like this. I would love to have you guys join the family. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.
You know youth is wasted on the young. We still don't know where we belong.